Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cute hairstyle for toddlers. It is so cute and easy. I hope you like it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Joanna. I do a lot of hair videos and I also do vlogs. I hope you stick around. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get into the video. I'm going to start by spraying water detangler and then I'm just going to brush her hair. Then I'm going to part her hair on that side. And again, I'm going to part her hair on the other side. And I'm going to put that hair into a hair tie just to keep it apart. And the rest of the hair, I'm also going to put it into a hair tie just to keep it out of my way. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of this Hold and Shine Moisture Mist to that section of hair. Then with my comb, I'm going to grab that piece of hair and I'm going to brush it, then I'm going to tie it with a hair tie. Again, with my comb, I'm going to grab another piece of hair about the same size. Then I'm going to brush that little piece of hair. Then I'm going to divide that into two. Then one of those I'm going to put it into a hair clip just to keep it apart. Then I'm going to brush that little piece of hair and I'm going to tie it with a hair tie. Now I'm going to take the other piece of hair out of the hair clip and I'm going to brush it, then I'm also going to tie it with a hair tie. I'm going to go back to the first piece of hair and I'm going to apply a little bit of the Hold and Shine Moisture Mist, then I'm going to do a simple braid. Then I'm going to do the same with the other two little pieces of hair, and in this case I'm going to show you two different ways of doing the braid. And I like the second one better because I think it looks cleaner and it looks tighter. So the first one, you're going to pass the right side over the middle part and then the left side over the middle part, and you're just going to keep doing that and you're going to get an okay braid, but I like the other way better. Now for the second way of making the braid that I like better, instead of going over the middle part, you're going to go under the middle part. So you're going to take the right piece and that's going to go under the middle part, then the left side is going to go under the middle part, and again the right under the middle and then the left under the middle, and that's going to make your braid look cleaner and tighter and it's going to last longer. Then for the last piece of hair, I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to do a simple braid. Now I'm going to grab the remaining hair and I'm going to brush it. Then once I have it how I want it, I'm going to add the three little braids. Then I'm going to tie them together with a hair tie. I'm going to remove the elastics that I used to secure the little braids. Then I'm going to do a simple braid out of that little piece of hair. And again, I'm showing you the first way of doing the braids, over the middle, over the middle. That's the way that I don't like doing braids. And at the end, I don't know if you can tell a difference, but this is the second way of doing the braid. I'm just gonna go under the middle, and I just think it looks cleaner, tighter, and I love it. At the end, I'm just going to secure the braid with a rubber band. For the bow, I have this super cute one. This one is from Amazon. It came in a pack of 12, I believe, and it was super inexpensive. I'm gonna have the link in my description box. But this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, and see you next time for another hair video. Bye guys!